Hi everyone. Do you want to save money to travel to Stockholm City? This video for you. There are 4 different options to travel to Stockholm City from Arlanda Airport. Arlanda Express, direct bus, taxi, and public transport. The Arlanda Express is the best option if you want to save time. It takes only 25 minutes to reach Stockholm City. However, it is quite expensive, costing around 340 Swedish kronor. Tickets can be purchased online or from the yellow ticket machines at the airport. There are 2 types of direct buses, Flixbus and Flixbussarna. The price ranges from 79 Swedish kronor to 149 Swedish kronor, and the journey takes approximately 40 minutes. You can buy tickets online via their apps or websites, or at the ticket machines. Now, I want to show you the way using public transport, which is the most budget-friendly option. The cost is only 42 Swedish kronor, and the journey takes about 60 minutes to reach Stockholm City. You can buy a ticket here at the airport, or use your bank card directly. The ticket is valid for 75 minutes, which is more than enough time for the journey. Let's get started. I'm now heading to the bus stop by following the direction signs. We will take bus number 583. The bus will arrive in 3 minutes. After midnight, bus number 592 is available, which goes directly to Stockholm City. But since it's not midnight, we'll take bus 583 to Marsta train station. The bus ride will take about 10 minutes. Now we are walking to the train station, which takes 3 minutes. The train is already here and will depart in 10 minutes. The train ride to Stockholm City takes around 40 minutes. Now we've arrived in Stockholm City. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next one.